What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're gonna open up and get a close-up look at the 3 newest Hot Wheels Zamac release cars. These cars are exclusively available at the Walmart in the USA. And first we'll take a look at the 1956 Ford F100 and check out the Queen on the side. This one is from the Hot Wheels Art Car Series, car number 1 of 10, and it is car number 187 of 250 from the 2019 set. And you can see this exclusive logo, which is only on a lot of the American cards, so you won't see those ones on international cards. All right, let's go ahead and pop open this Zamac car. And here it is. We'll get a nice close-up look at it. And you can see that really nice Queen with the diamonds on the side of it. It's got some red chrome wheels. It's got a nice chrome engine on there and some nice detail on the top of it as well. The base of it is red, and it looks really, really neat. I wish there was a little bit more detail on the front end of the car, but otherwise a very nice looking Zamac car. And the second one we'll take a look at is the 1967 Chevelle SS 396. This one is number 7 of 10 from the Muscle Mania series, and it's car number 157 of 250 from the 2019 set. There's your exclusive logo there, as well as that little Zamac logo on there as well. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. We can get a nice close-up look at it, and there it is. I like this one with the Tampa work on the side of it. It's very like drag racing cars, so it's got all the drag racing sponsored stickers on it. It's got a nice big chrome grille on there, but otherwise pretty basic all around as far as the top goes and as far as the rear goes. I like the chrome wheels. They look good. They look really nice. They're a little bit staggered as well. So we got the bigger ones on the back, the smaller ones on the front, but an all around pretty average looking car for the 67 Chevelle. And last but definitely not least, we've got the Mclaren 720S Zamac edition. And this one is from the Hot Wheels Exotic Series, car number 2 of 10, and it is car number 221 of 250 from the 2019 set. There's your Zamac logo on there. And let's go ahead and pop this one open. And this is our 4th color release from this casting, and there it is in the Zamac edition. It's got these wheels on here, which they kind of look small, but I think they're actually quite proportionate for the 720S. Great detail on the front end. We can see the nice little headlights, got that painted in Tampa work on there. Really, really nice looking casting from the side. Just an all-around amazing design. I really, really like the Mclaren 720S. We can see it from the back as well. Not much as far as the light Tampa work goes. That's pretty common. It's got the black base on it. Very, very cool looking casting, guys. I am in love with this one. And there it is. All right, guys, comment down below which is your favorite release from these 3 Zamac castings. I think it's fairly obvious how much I love the Mclaren 720S. But thank you for watching this video. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.